In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on subtitles in any Udemy course. If you prefer studying with tech support or you're learning in a quieter environment, subtitles make your experience much clearer and easier to follow. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Udemy. Then head to the official website. Once you're on the home page, log in using your email and password or single sign-on if your organization supports it. After logging in, you land on your dashboard where all your courses are listed. Choose the course you want to watch and open it. This will take you straight to the course player where your lessons appear. Now look at the bottom of the video player. You'll see a button labeled Captions. Click it and you'll see all available subtitle languages for that course. Select the language you prefer and the subtitles will instantly appear on your video. And that's it. Turning on subtitles in Udemy is quick, simple, and really helpful for clearer learning. Enjoy your course and happy learning!